Dear students of the graduating class 2010 of St. Mary's Academy of Yakan, thank you for this opportunity to speak to you as a whole. Days, months, and years have passed too quickly. It's impossible to believe that we'll be in high school the next time we step into a classroom. To begin with, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our parents, guardians, faculties, and staff, our advisor, Mrs. Pulyon, and to our dear school principal, Sister Rose, for putting up with us tonight. Without their support, none of us would have to come this far. 3 days from now, we're going to say goodbye to each other. There may be hugs and tears, as the lyrics of the song speaks. Farewell to you, my friends. Don't worry, cause it's not the end of everything. We might be miles away, but here our hearts will stay. We'll try to keep in touch with each other, live our lives, and do our best for a good future. Thank you all for listening attentively. Good night and have a pleasant tomorrow.
That ends our parent party. This is indeed a memorable night for grade 6 pupils as they reminisce all the valuable experiences they had in this institution.
God bless to all of you kids. Wherever you go, we wish you the best in all your endeavors. Good luck, kids. Special thanks to our dear parents for coming over. Thank you for sending your kids in this school. We hope to see them again next school year. Before we finally end, we will be having last free dance for all. Kids, you may now have the floor.
With sister. With sister and teacher. Dapat all na. All dance. All dance.